friends, we have been seeing many case laws with respect to properties. So this is one such interesting case law with respect to gift deed versus will. This is a Supreme Court ruling. After 30 years of legal dispute, sister won the case against her brother for the father's property, and this is regarding the ownership of the father's property when father died during 1995 without writing a proper will. So let's go deep into the case and analyze the situations and the rulings. Welcome to Artist Tax Info. The main reason two siblings went to the court was the father executed a registered deed during 1985, stating in the deed that this property would be gifted to his daughter upon his or her mother's death. And subsequently, what he did was in 1993 he cancelled this deed and he created a sale deed in brother's name, stating that brother will be the sole owner of the property. During 1995, father passed away, and then this property came into the dispute between sister and the brother. The brother contended that father executed a will during 1985 and hence it can be revoked, but the sister contended that the deed executed was a gift deed and it cannot be unilaterally cancelled without her permission, and hence she becoming the rightful owner of the property left behind her father. The daughter did not accept this unilateral cancellation of the deed already executed, and hence she filed a case in the lower court. Then this ultimately went to High Court and now in the Supreme Court ruling. So the Supreme Court, what they did was they went through the documents thoroughly, or the documents whatever has been registered with the Registrar of Property, and also they referred to Transfer of Property Act, and they have given certain analysis based on what is the exact meaning of a will and what is the exact meaning of the gift deed. So the Supreme Court analyzes and clarifies on the following points. Question of law. It is said that if the disposition is taken into effect after the death of the executant, in this case it is father, then it becomes will. But if the disposition of interest is given during this term itself, then the interest automatically goes to the settlee and it will be treated as a settlement. And in every settlement deed, there is a term called gift. So the gift element is present in all the settlement deed drafted by between the donor and the donee. Then passing of interest in the present term. That means, as I already told you, the transfer of interest in the property, if it is already divested to the settlee, then it is treated as gift. But if the divestment of the interest passes on to the settlee or the donor only upon the death of the donor, then it becomes a will. So after analyzing all these points, and the clarification was given that this will be treated as a settlement because the above conditions were satisfied in this case. So the Supreme Court clarifies that the settlement deed created out of love and affection with 100% interest being divested to the settlee or the donor, then it can be treated only as a gift deed and it cannot be revoked by the single person alone, that is the donor alone, without the consent of the donee. So once gift deed is drafted like this and gift is accepted, then it is irrevocable and any unilateral cancellations becomes invalid. So in this case, the Supreme Court said that the father had already executed the deed which is in the nature of gift deed, wherein the ownership is already being passed on to his daughter, and hence this gift deed cannot be revoked unilaterally without the permission of the donee. Therefore, by interpretations of law, the father's property belongs to the elder sister only, as the deed already executed is gift deed and that cannot be revoked unilaterally or cannot be cancelled without substantiation in a court of law. So hope you got a clarity between what is gift deed and what is will. So gift deed, if already executed, cannot be revoked unilaterally, whereas will can be revoked. So if you have doubts with respect to this case, please post in the comment section. Thank you.